I know this place looks like a total disaster right now, but you would not believe the transformation we have planned for this kitchen over the next few days. Welcome to my culinary disaster zone, where the cabinets sing songs of despair and the tiles have more cracks than my motivation to actually cook dinner tonight.
Why did the home renovator bring a ladder to the bar? Because he heard the drinks were on the house, and he really wanted to reach the top shelf prices.
Why do tiles make the best detectives? Why do scientists not trust atoms? Because they make up everything. This renovation project was surprisingly easy to complete in just 3 days for only $300.
Thanks so much for watching this kitchen transformation today. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the process. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in